There we go. Okay. Just installed the Ryco Moto turn signal kit on the XP1000. Comes with a horn in the kit. Hazards work. Plus, you got a turn signal indicator on your dash that's lit up. When you turn it off, it shuts off. When you turn it back on, it cuts on. So you got a horn. Left signal. This is by far the best kit they sell on eBay. But if you go directly to his website, you will get it cheaper than the price is on eBay. Turn signals off, turn signal back on. Sweet. Instructions could have been a little bit clearer, but it all worked. There you have it.